G'day guys, welcome to the channel. Okay, so what am I doing today? We are actually taking out the right hand side axle. Now the reason I've done that is due to the fact that the uni joint on this section here, there was a lot of play in it, so decided to obviously remove it because it needed to be done, and I'm actually replacing it with a new CV axle. So this is the constant velocity joint. The joint is built inside here, inside the boot, and it's full of grease, so that's the CV joint against a more traditional axle, which is the actual uni joint that you can see here. Now this particular uni joint has a lot of play in it, so I heard this little bit of a clunking, particularly when I was turning. So yeah, got under the car, turned the front drive shaft, and noticed that there was a lot of play between this section and the actual axle itself. Now, as you can see, the hub is still attached to here. Now, the reason why is because I have had immense trouble getting this nut off. I've actually broke two pieces of tools that I had. I wasn't too happy about it. So the hub came off really easy. So as you can see, here's the knuckle. Okay, so obviously on the knuckle we have the disc brake setup, which is the calipers itself. The actual disc brake itself, there's the backing plate, the brake backing plate there. Now, the 3 bolts that hold the actual bearing section on, they came off easy. There was no resistance whatsoever. Everything came off really easy. Even the face between the actual hub itself and the face of the knuckle, I had soaked it previously anyway with penetrative oil, and yeah, everything came off nice and easy. You can see here there's a brand new tie rod end, and as mentioned, this is a brand new caliper. Obviously there's a brand new caliper on the other side with brand new brakes in here too, so that was done in previous videos. But yeah, so as you can see, everything's sitting here. So this is the difference. I mean, obviously same axles in length and design, width, so on, but very different setup here. So so what I'm waiting for, what I've decided to do is actually, I've actually bought a new hub bearing. I don't know how old this one is. It doesn't look that old. It actually, there's absolutely no grinding in it. The bearing is very smooth, but with the issue of this nut, it just will not come out. I have tried everything, so I'm not going to bother about it. You know, for the price of buying actually new tools to try and get this nut out, you can see it in here. That's a 36mm nut. It's quite large. There's a socket for it. So yeah. But you know, she goes in there. But yeah, but I broke the breaker bars. I'm not going to borrow about it. For the price of the breaker bars and tools to actually remove this, I'm actually going to buy a brand new hub, which will fit here. So I'm just waiting for that one at the moment. So that's where I'm at with this setup at the moment. So once I get that done, yeah, it'll be all put together. So I'll actually put another video to the back of this one, and with the replacement of this shaft. So stay tuned. Thanks guys.